of these trucks is different? This is a visual test that you need to solve within a limited time. Stay sharp and think carefully before answering. If you're stuck and can't find the solution, don't worry. The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Take your time and think it over. The countdown starts now. So, did you figure it out? Let me know in the comments before I reveal the solution. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tests. The first truck is the one that's different.